Rivers State Governor Wike has declared that the desperation of the APC federal government to manipulate the 2019 general election will only lead to crisis. Governor Wike said that no amount of brute force or intimidation will stop the Rivers people from defending their votes in 2019. Speaking during a media chat on Tuesday at the Government House, Port Harcourt, Governor Wike said,
"They want to manipulate, it is very obvious, but the consequences of it is what we are talking about. Somebody who wants to manipulate is not laying foundation for violence. It's not laying foundation for crisis. When you say Rivers, oh, if we can fight, who is the one laying foundation for crisis? Who is the one laying foundation for violence? Why should I lay foundation for violence when I can go to Gokana and say, Gokana people vote for me, see what I did? When I can go to Kana people vote for me, see what I did? When I can go to Asarikoro, vote for me, see what I did? Why would I go and lay foundation for crisis? Those who are certain are those who cannot come to Rivers State and say, vote for us because we have brought this. Our campaign is commissioning of projects. That's the campaign we have. I'm not going to go to anywhere and vote for us. All are coming to take one project. Then you decide what to do. And then the person who is going to give you, let me come and tell you that he will give you tomorrow. Say, which tomorrow? Give me now.
The governor noted that the police has arranged for Assistant Commissioner of Police Akin Fakoride to be the point man in the manipulation of Rivers polls.
I didn't say remove him and give me social person. All I said, this man is sabotaging the security architecture of the state. And if this man continues this way, there may be crisis, there may be violence, because we will not agree. That's what you are saying. So the whole world will now know that we have read this around for long, not when it happens. You say, why is that violence every day? Why not stop this likelihood of violence? Why not? People want to use Akin to cause problem in it. I rather they say, no, I told you I want to work for me how?
He said the APC federal government ought to have realized that attempting to rig is an exercise in futility in view of the few seats they won during the rerun.
How many members, the way they keep people, they help them, how many members do they have in the House? How many members do they have in the National Assembly? This is of all the manipulation, of all the brutal force.
Commenting on the threat to his life, Governor Wike said that the threat is real because of credible intelligence available to the Rivers State government. He said that the denials of the officials of the federal government is expected.
We are working. We are also getting intelligence. As a president at this level, you don't expect me to just be sleeping from morning till night. I can't do that. I can't do that. We have intelligence.
On the political conflict in Rivers State, Governor Wike said that he has nothing personal against the former Rivers State governor, aside the need to protect the interests of the state.
I don't have any problem. Somebody said, oh, why not settle what are you saying? Is it a personal thing? You've done your own 8 years. Let another person finish and go. But you continue to dictate who governor of Rivers State. Is it your father's personal property? Why are you taking it too personal? Why?
He decried the situation where the former Rivers State governor leads a campaign to destroy and demarket Rivers State. Governor Wike charged journalists to take action to promote the state because as people who reside in the state, they are major stakeholders. Governor Wike said that his greatest achievement has been to restoration of security in the state. He noted that security is also his greatest challenge.
I said it's my responsibility to make sure that lives and property are being protected. So I would think that is my greatest challenge and that's my greatest achievement. I think I'm comfortable, I'm happy that we're able to bring back peace in this state.
The governor said that he will not respond to insults heaped on him by the defeated 2015 Rivers State governorship candidate of the APC because they are born out of frustration. He, however, offered to provide official transport to convey the defeated 2015 Rivers State APC governorship candidate to Opobo on the Ogoni and on the Opobo-Nkoro Unity Road at the end of the year. The governor said that the APC has politicized the issue of suit challenge in the state, creating the atmosphere where security agencies destroying illegal refineries crudely.
So, people do not understand, those who are playing politics don't understand that this suit is not targeted at any one particular person. Am I not outside here now? So why do you think it don't affect me? Go to my room. You see everything dark. I'm inhaling it. Do you think I'm happy? Because I'm a governor, so it should not affect me. Or because I'm in PDP, it should not affect me. The suit for those who are in APC.
He noted that despite the actions of the APC federal government, the administration is working with Ajib, Shell, Total to resolve the suit challenge.
In fact, we're even going ahead to take Lucius Wosu, who of course is an expert when it comes to environmental issues, to go to court against the federal government.
He added that the Rivers State government has briefed a prominent environmental lawyer, Lucius Wosu, to drag the APC federal government on the suit. On women empowerment, Governor Wike is empowering women with leadership positions so that they can contribute to the development of the state. He said that all the PDP deputy chairmanship candidates for the local government elections are women, while there are 150 women councillorship candidates.
So today, as it is today, we have not less than 150 women as councillors. The deputy chairman are all women. Because I think that it's not just giving them money for training. They get our women just for trading. No. Also put them in leadership position.
He added that 500 million naira has been set aside by the state government for the women involved in small-scale businesses.
Now, the this July, we have raised 500 million naira to give those ones who are into